going. And he's dropped it. Thick outside edge, straight into the gloves of Sudeep, who has dropped that one.
It was a juicy half volley, a thick outside edge, and Sudeep could not latch onto it. Frustration on the faces of Karnataka Bulldozers.
It's in there, there is a chance. And he's taken it. Oh God, Mumbai Heroes, they've lost a big wicket here. It is Raja Bharwani. Was trying to play it on the onside, played too early. Leading it straight into the air and taken quite comfortably at mid-off. Now this is what happened.
Thick outside edge and the fielder making no mistake. And they are delighted. They know the importance of this wicket. Raja Bharwani has to go for a well-made 16. It's 33 for 2. Two wickets have gone for Mumbai Heroes. They need to be really careful. They can't afford to lose that many wickets. Any more wickets, in fact. Sunny Singh is here. There was the intention was right, but the execution was the problem. That was a big wicket as far as Mumbai Heroes goes. They relied a lot on Raja Bharwani. Wants a single. In the end, they will get it easily.
A decent shout by the bowler Karthik. He was convinced about the LBW decision. No, down the leg side. Hits him on the flap. Manav Gohil was the batsman. Good decision by the umpire. They're in deep trouble. Raja Bharwani had played such a big role in the success of Mumbai Heroes so far. With him back in the pavilion, things don't look so good here for the Heroes. He's a good player, but he hasn't done so well with the bat. Technically a correct player. Needs to play with more confidence to get his side into a strong position. Hits it well. He gets some runs here. Only a single, so he's off the mark.
A little bit of injury out there. Possibly to his knee. Sunny Singh, the first ball, he plays it towards the mid-wicket. Here we go, banged his knee. But all's well in the end. Well, there's a mix-up, direct hit. Oh, that's going to be close, definitely close. Terrific work at square leg. Picked it up in one go, had a shy at the stumps and has broken the stumps as well. 9 out of 10 times we see a direct hit being out.
That's great work by Sudhir, I think, who was fielding inside the circle. Was very agile, very quick. There you see some kind of confusion by the two players. Sunny Singh ran, and that's it, he's gone. A direct hit, bang, into the stumps of the non-strikers end, and Sunny well short of his crease. So the misery piles up here for Mumbai Heroes. Wait for the decision to come on the big screen. No problem at all. It is out. So the third wicket goes down for the Heroes. And it is Sunny who will have to walk back to the pavilion and look at the Bulldozers.